Alright, I'm following D-Mac.
Oh, we got people up ahead.
I'll see you in the lobby.
I'm opening fire on these bitches.
Oh, nice. If he...
Frag out.
Hey! Hey! I'm throwing a grenade!
Nice shoot, Mark.
Okay. Was that you over my right shoulder?
I advanced up a little bit.
Yeah, I see you.
Shit, I should have picked a better gun. I got an Uzi. Where are you? Right here?
I'm on your right shoulder.
Oh, okay, yep. Are you ready to push A?
Alright. Oh, it's a bit early. Wait, 8th?
I'm going in.
Oh no, I'm confused. That countdown isn't to the wave, is it?
No,
of course
it's...
not, because you're not going to die and then wait 8 minutes.
I'm throwing a grenade!
Oh, guys on the other side of the street. I threw a nade.
Oh,
I know where to go here.
Back. Son of a bitch.
Win. Where's my backup?
I'm right here.
I got shot in the back.
Oh shit, guy outside.
Oh, 3 guys at the top of the stairs.
Oh, I just killed one.
4 guys, 5 guys in that room now.
Shit.
Let it all up.
Oh, I got all 3. I got all 3.
Oh,
Mowed down.
Watching.
Oh shit, more. The whole nother team coming in, bro.
Maybe the Uzi was the right choice after all.
Dude, that was badass.
And what was the last one?
88.
Call for explosive artillery on this
I'm gonna
position.
cover the right side because nobody's over there.
I'm on the right.
Alright.
Affirmative. Steel rain inbound.
Damn.
Man, it takes forever to fucking click down to 88.
Yeah. Careful, D-Mac in front of you.
I'm looking, I don't see him.
Is there an apply button?
Shooting at me. Yeah,
the
bottom
bottom.
right.
Got one. They're gonna be coming up.
I'm watching. Ah, he's behind the wall still on the right hand side. He's coming from into the road now. Oh, he's looking at you.
Dude, I don't even fucking see this guy. I gotta put a scope on this shit.
Observer, this is station. Roger that. They'll be there in a jiffy. This is Warlock. Warlock here.
Why is it hidden our kill sister?
Beginning attack.
Is it only shows at the end?
I'm behind enemy lines, boys.
How do you put the gas mask on?
I can't remember. I thought it was B.
Careful down there. Warlock out. Alright, he hit it. Station out.
I'm mowing them down.
I got 2.
It's behind you, Joey.
Oh, come on.
Shit. I was chasing a guy, I didn't have any fucking bullets in my magazine. What a dickhead. Ah, damn it. It's just piling there.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, no way. I totally shot that guy, man.
How are we still losing D?
Oh, man.
No way, dude. There's no way. Oh, they're mad, dude. I was taking them all out over there, bro. Wow. That's gay.
You guys.
Tell me where the sniper is. I'm about to take his ass out. Oh, I see him. Gone.
Oh, there is a compass.
But yeah, only if you're on the spawn though, isn't it?
What?
So not on the AO.
Please tell me how I got sniped right there, dude. That makes absolutely no sense. Where's that damn sniper, dude?
Alright, they're done firing. We're here if you need more. Station out.
Oh, I got RPG'd. Your body literally goes into bits.
Watch that smoke. They're gonna be running through it. Oh, I see the sniper up top. Just fired an RPG at him. There's an MG aimed right at our spawn when you come out.
Strafe inbound. Going hot. Get clear.
I got him. Got the guy in front of you.
What, the MG guy?
I don't know. There was a guy pushing you on the sandbags.
Ah.
Oh, we're getting dicked.
I'm out. Carry on, guys. Kenny's done his run. You need anything else, just ask, okay? Station out.
Alright, I gotta get in there.
We just need to pile into A.
Yep. Took quite a few of their waves out, though, so that's good.
Yeah.
Can I really not? Okay. About to say, can I not jump out of this bitch?
Pushing left. They're all pushing left.
Oh, are they? Alright.
Yep.
Yeah, I hear him.
Shit.
They're smoking me.
Nice. Still another one on your right.
Take it. Are they on Bravo? Are they all close to Bravo right now?
Yeah, I think they're underneath Bravo, aren't they?
Uh,
Where's Bravo gone? Why the fuck can't I see it? Oh no, I'm above Bravo.
oh, I see one. Gone. Oh, head popped. Oh shit, I ran out of ammo. No! Dude, I was just about to pop this dude.
They're underneath
Son of a
you,
bitch.
Floor underneath you, D-Mac.
I don't see him.
We're on the bus.
Oh, I gotcha.
Directly below you, I mean. Oh, sorry. I thought you were above me. Must have been Joey.
I'm in a good spot right now.
Got knifed up on the roof.
Oh, I hit one, but he's not dead. Got another.
That kills this match. That's not bad.
Yeah, this is a good spot. I like it. Oh, they compromised me. They know where I'm at. Oh, they finally got me, dude. That was a good run, bro. I'm covering the left side. That's one.
Ooh.
That's two. Next.
Loading! Loading!
Go to the right side.
Hey, I need to load!
They only got one wave left.
Oh, yeah. He's right in the middle. Nice. Good shit.
Barrage complete. Good luck out there, guys. Station out.
There he is.
Where?
Straight north of Charlie.
Cover me!
Just in front of Joey there.
Okay.
As you're looking at it, T-Mac, when you look over that bit. Yeah, just in the left. No, not that bit.
Over here?
On your left, unfortunately.
Why am I... What's up with this gas, bro? Rush him. Push, push, push. Nice.
Yep.